What in the world? What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have my quick impressions of the OnePlus 9 Pro G. Now right off the back, this thing is snappy and fast. It is very snappy, fluid. Oxygen OS on Android 11. It's pretty cool. We do have the Google Now page. Crypto, Doge. Make sure you go buy some Doge. So you do have the Google Now page by swiping right. But what you also have is the Never Settle page, the OnePlus One, by swiping down on the screen. Now, I'm used to just swiping down and pulling the notification shade down. So you still have your notification shade, but you have to come across the top. I'm pretty sure there's a setting in here where you can actually deactivate that from swiping down and actually have your notification shade just drop down instead of the never settle page. Now this is just some toolboxes here, step counter, your recent apps, a little bit of dashboard, data use, available storage, battery life, and it will know where you park just in case you forgot where to park. It'll give you a parking location service feature that it has. You can take a picture, mark the location, whatever, yada yada. Weather, all that good stuff. Me personally, I probably won't use that feature, and I'll probably disable it somewhere in the menu setting. I'm pretty sure you can disable that. Quick gestures, double tap to lock. I want that on. Right there, swipe down to access shelf. I do not want to swipe down to access shelf. So right there, swipe down to for notifications and quick settings, save. So now, bam, look at that, bam. Look at that smooth 120 frames per second. Let's just make sure this is 120 frames per second right out the box, because the Samsung ones come in at 1080p sometimes. Hyper touch, vibrant color, motion graphic smoothing. Let's go ahead and activate that. Ultra high video resolution. Let's go ahead and activate that. Hyper touch, visual comfort, and it does not give me if it's 1080p or not. Right here, refresh rate. Smart 120, standard 60. So you do have the options to drop it down just in case you want to save battery life. Resolution, see, full HD plus. Bam. Let's switch that to quad HD plus. Now, I don't know why they do that. Obviously to save battery life, but we want to take advantage of that quad HD at 120 hertz. Which is 120 frames per second almost, I think. If I'm wrong, let me know down in the comment section below. But the display looks good. Everything looks fluid. Of course, it's brand new. Snapdragon 888, very snappy. Can't wait to try out the cameras out, because they did mention, they talked a big game about the camera. Hasselblad lenses helped co-develop these cameras and new camera systems and everything like that. This phone feels great in hand. This color, it's amazing, dude. If you, this matte mint green feels and looks amazing. I like it better than the silver one. Do not shy away from this color because it's something out of the ordinary that you usually don't get. This looks, is this forest green, mint green? I don't know what color this is, to be honest, but it looks good. But let me find out right now what color it is for you. So we're not playing the guessing game. Let's see, this color is pine green. I was calling it mint green, forest green, so I was completely wrong. This is pine green and it looks amazing. Look at that. bam, looks super good. But quick impressions, this is a very promising phone. It looks pretty promising. The fingerprint, boom, fast, easy to set up, nothing too bad. One thing I do like about this, some people don't like this. I like it more closer to the bottom, boom. I do not like it like Samsung has theirs, like somewhere around this general area. At least I know it's right there, boom, look at that. Somewhere in this general area, you have to kind of guess where that thumbprint is. This, boom, you know right there. You know you're gonna hit it towards the bottom of the screen, boom. Now, I don't think this works with the screen off, does it? I don't think it does. You have to tap it, boom, and then unlock it. Maybe there's a setting in here that you can change that help you enable that. But right out the back, this thing is looking very, very promising. I like the feel, the design of the phone. It's very snappy. I like the OS, Android 11's on here. Can't wait to put this phone through its paces and give you guys my opinions of what I think the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G is all about. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I got tons of case videos for this, accessory videos, official OnePlus 9 Pro carbon bumper case coming up soon. Screen protectors, Rinky cases, a bunch of cases from different manufacturers. Shout out to them for sending me these cases out for review. Again, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.